Bonjour à tous! Let's have a look at how are we going to talk about weather and seasons in French. Les saisons et le temps. Alright. So first of all, let's have a look at summer. How are we going to say summer in French? So summer in French is l'été. 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 Winter is l'hiver. L'hiver. Autumn is l'automne. L'automne. Spring is le printemps. Le printemps. Très bien. So what are the four seasons? L'été, l'hiver, l'automne and le printemps. Très bien. Now, quel temps fait-il? If you ever come across this question, quel temps fait-il? What does this mean? It means, what is the weather like? How is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? You can say, il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau means it's sunny. So basically, whenever we are saying il fait beau, it means it's a beautiful weather. It's sunny. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It's hot. Il fait chaud. How are we going to say it's cool? It's a pleasant weather. It's il fait frais. Il fait frais. For saying it's cold, it's il fait froid. Il fait froid. For saying it's cloudy, it's il fait nuageux. Il fait nuageux. For saying it's stormy, it's a stormy weather, it's il fait orageux. Il fait orageux. Which weather is this? It's foggy. For saying that, it's not going to be il fait now. It's il y a. Il y a du brouillard. For saying it's windy, it's il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. For saying it's sunny, the first one that we saw, that was il fait beau, that was basically it's beautiful. But over here we are saying that it's really sunny out there. For saying that, we are going to say il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. You can also refer to this as there's a lot of sunlight. Il y a du soleil. For saying it's raining, it's il pleut. Il pleut. Il pleut. For saying it's snowing, it's il neige. Il neige. Now once again, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Aujourd'hui, today, aujourd'hui, il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il fait 19 degrés Celsius. Il fait 19 degrés Celsius. It's 19 degrees Celsius. So if I'm the one asking this question to you, let's suppose I'm asking, quel temps fait-il? What's going to be your reply? What's the temperature today? Is it hot at your place? Is it cold? Is it raining? Is it windy? Let me know in the comment sections below. And if you found this video to be helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!